If you want to make a lighting system in Godot, this is the right video for you. So let's go to the video. First, inside Godot, after resetting up our scene, we add a new node, a canvas modulate, and change its colors for something darker. In my case, I will make it kind of bluish and dark. Then we need to add a light source. We have two light sources, point light and directional light. Directional light is like a source of light coming from above, and point light is a point of light. Then we drag a texture to our point light. As you can see, it's already working a little. We can reduce the texture scale, increase the energy or reduce the energy, add the shadows enabled, and that's it. Next we will add a box. That box will occlude the light, so we will add the light occluder 2D to our box, and we click new occluder and we set it around our box. As you can see, it's working. The light is occluded by the box. Working. Then we will add another light occluder 2D to our second box, add a new occluder and make it cover only the front. So as you can see, I can see the back if I am on the back, and on the front the back is occluded. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want to see how I made a game in a month, check this video.